Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a graphic designer or planning to start offering your services on Fiverr, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 5 graphic design trends you should be aware of for 2025. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all things design. Let's get into it. Our first trend is all about bold typography. In 2025, typography is taking center stage like never before. Whether it's oversized fonts, unique letter shapes, or experimental font styles, clients will want designs that make a statement. If you want to stand out on Fiverr, offering bold typographic designs for logos, websites, and social media content will definitely put you ahead of the curve. Next up, we have 3D and motion graphics. As technology advances, 3D elements and animated graphics are becoming a must-have for brands wanting to create immersive experiences. Whether it's for logos, social media posts, or video intros, 3D designs will be in high demand on Fiverr. Motion graphics, especially for websites and ads, are set to explode, so brush up on your animation skills to stay ahead of the game. Trend number 3 is all about retro and nostalgic styles. In 2025, clients will be leaning towards designs that evoke nostalgia. Think 80s neon, 90s grunge, and early 2000s tech vibes. This trend blends vintage aesthetics with modern techniques, creating a perfect balance for today's audiences. If you're offering retro-inspired logos, posters, or social media graphics, you're sure to grab attention. Minimalism is here to stay, but in 2025, it's getting a twist. Minimalism with a twist focuses on clean, simple designs, but with a creative flair. Whether it's a pop of color, abstract shapes, or unique textures, minimalist designs will take on new forms. Offering clean, professional designs with a bit of unexpected detail will make your Fiverr gigs stand out. And last but definitely not least, we have sustainability and eco-friendly design. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many brands are moving towards eco-conscious design. Think earthy tones, natural textures, and symbols that reflect sustainability. By offering eco-friendly design options, you can cater to this growing demand from brands looking to align with eco-conscious values. There you have it, the top 5 graphic design trends for Fiverr gigs in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, comment with your favorite trend, and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next one. Super like, comment, subscribe. Background music fades out.